than a dev. In this video, we are going to create a form in VS Code using HTML and CSS. So let's just create a folder on our desktop. Let us name the folder CSS form. Now let us open this folder in our VS Code. So if you open it, we've opened it. So we create the HTML extension index.html. So this is a form that we are coming to create. This is a form. So let's get the HTML structure using shift exclamation, then enter. Let's divide our page into two. Let's change the name from documents to form. Form. Then now let's break it using Alt-Z so that everything we will do will be shown. So let's start by creating the form. We give it a label for name. Then bring our name here. Then input this type. Name. Give it an ID of name. Let us break it. Then the next one, we give it an label for password. Input. The name of the input is password. The ID password. So let us break this one. Then let's break here. Then we bring colon here, colon. Then under the form, we have a button, a login button. Then we have another button after the don't have an account. So we first don't have an account. Then you create the button, create one. So this is what we have. So this how the HTML will look like. So now let's just add CSS to it. So we are using external CSS. So index.css. So we link our CSS to our HTML. Using the link, then index.css. So let's come to our CSS. Then we want to position this to the center. So body, we are come to use display flex. Flex direction. With column. Align items, send. Justify content, center. Then we give it a height of 100 page. So everything was coming. Then when we are done with this, we get our image over here. So come to the images created. There's the image. We copy it. Then we paste it over here. Using Control V. So we've pasted. Then we go back to our index.html. So here we come and paste our image. So let's paste the image over here. Let's call it picture. Then let's give it a rate of 20% because it's too big. Then we saw that below the image, there was a login. So let's add a login to it. Let's make the login bold. So let's copy this. We cut it from your context. Paste it to your control. Yes. So let's change the background. Background color to blue. So this is a background color. We've changed it to blue. Then let's come to index.html. Let us give the image a div. And give it a class image. So dot image display flex align items center justify content center. Then let us give the whole body a tick. So we cut it Control X. They come and paste it right here. Control. Then we give it a class full. Then come to index.css dot form. We give it a background of white. Then a border left. $20 pixels solid white. Then let's give the login also a class. So the login can give it a or test. So dot test. You give it a display of flex. Align items sent. Justify contents sent. So let us go back again. Let us create a div. A div here. Then put the login inside. Then create the class test. So the div must